What's up, guys? We got a 2012 Peterbilt. We just finished installing the alarm system. And this classic, you can hook up the remote start, everything on it. I'm gonna go ahead and locks your doors, unlocks your doors. Open up your phone, sir. Trying to get the app going here. In the meantime, to remote start it, you're gonna press this button here twice. Okay, that will remote start the truck. There you go. Let the truck remote start. Okay, this is the app. To arm the alarm, you're gonna hit this button here. Okay, that arms the alarm and locks your door. I was able to hook up the door lock on this particular door right here. Disarm it. Okay, remote start it. We program it for diesel, so it goes through the cycle, all the things that it needs to do. Now it's going to remote start. The truck right here. GPS is here. Okay, and if you have multiple cars, you can see multiple cars. This one you can set up a geo fence, so when the car leaves the yard, it will send you an alert. You can set up a speed alert as well. And then basically, if somebody opens any of the doors or they bang in the window, the alarm is going to fire off.
Alert. Your alarm is sounding on your vehicle.
Okay, you're going to get a push notification, and we can also set it up to get a text, and you can also set it up to get an email for the front office if you have a place that wants to get an email or you want to keep a report. Shut it up. So that's basically it. This is the new Linkr 3 that we installed in this Peterbilt. This particular fob, we programmed it for him, but normally the alarm comes with the small little ones. You don't have to carry this big thing around. But the guy likes it, you know, so he has the smaller one, and then we give him the bigger one. But yeah, everything from the phone, you can do it anywhere in the world. You can be out of the country, and you can arm and disarm it. It tells you if the door is open on the dashboard of that app. It gives you the voltage of the battery, like you saw. This alarm was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. Whoever has these trucks and you out of state, we can sell you the kit already prepped up. We'll give you an installation video, and you can do the installation yourself. Our numbers again is 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. If you happen to pick up a load in Miami, we do come out wherever you're unloading, and we can knock it out right there for you. But if you're too far away, I understand, and we can ship you the equipment and you can do the installation yourself. We thank you for watching this video.